What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. iOS devices don't have headphone jacks. What are you going to do? Well, the answer is you get these little adapters, and I picked this one up. It's a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone adapter, and I got it from Kungix. And basically, you might be able to see here, it says MFi certified, but I guess my experience with these types of things is that they always are a little unpredictable, and sometimes MFi certified printed on there does not mean it is that. And so I just wanted to test this one and see if it actually works. Now I have a pair of kind of generic earbuds here with a standard headphone jack. I'm going to plug it in here just like this, and then I'm going to plug it into my iPad here, which is updated with the latest iOS, and might be able to hear it there, but I got Peter Cetera plan, and basically what I'm going to do here is just let it run, and if it works, I will let you know, because oftentimes even the non-certified ones tend to work for a little while, and then they give you an error here, so I'll be back. All right, guys, been jamming to Peter Cetera for quite a while right now, and this little adapter has never given me any problems. So if you want to check this one out, like I said, an inexpensive, obviously this Kungix has worked reliably during my test, and it should be a good way to buy a non-Apple branded product for a third of the price of the official one that works just as well. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter from Panda out.